Okay, so I have a pretty big Ibotta haul here today. I did hit 2 different rebates. I did the $5 for 15 rebates through a online pickup, and I also hit the 10 rebates for $5. I think that was a weekend warrior bonus. So I'm going to go through each item, let you know how much it cost, how much rebate I got back, and what the final cost was. So let's get started because there's a lot of items here with the Powerade. So I'm sure a lot of you notice now that the any rebates are qualifying as a rebate where it used to not. So the Powerade was 74 cents. I got the 10 cents for any sports drink, which made the final cost 64 cents. The next item are these Flow alkaline spring waters in the box, and I love these. These were free rebate at one point, and after you do that, then they start giving you BOGOs. So they're $1.68. You have to buy 2 of them. You'd pay $3.36, get $1.68 back on Ibotta, making it $1.68 for 2, which I'll get these all day. I love these. The grapefruit tonic water. This is the 33.8 fluid ounce. These are 77 cents, and the rebate that I got was the 10 cents off any tonic water. Final cost, 67 cents. The thing that I wanted to try is the Happy Food brown sugar steel cut oatmeal. This has 11 grams of protein per serving. So I really wanted to do this. This was in the frozen section. These were $2.98. Ibotta gave you back 75 cents, making your final cost $2.23. I got the Oreo Thin Bites Fudge Dipped Mint Cream. These were $2.56. Ibotta gave you back $1, making it $1.56. If you use swag bucks, which I know a lot of people don't, you'll get 100 swag bucks for buying this, and I believe that's about $1. So that'll make the final cost 56 cents. But if you don't use swag bucks, $1.56 is pretty good for these anyway. 5-star folders. I found them in my clearance aisle for 50 cents each. So I bought 2 of them, paid $1. Ibotta gives you back 50 cents when you buy 2, but you must buy 2. So 50 cents for 2 folders, pretty good deal to me. The family size tricks. These were $3.64. Ibotta gave you back $1. And then there was a bonus on there that if you did the deal twice, which I did a cereal last week, I think I did tricks again, you got $1 bonus for getting 2. So this was $1.64. If you don't have that bonus, your cereal will be $2.64, which is still pretty good. So it's a pretty big box of cereal. I got the strawberry milk Nesquik. This was $1.36. Ibotta gave you back 25 cents, making it $1.11. These are super good if you like the Propel waters, the flavored water. So these are the little pouches that you dump inside of a water bottle, and they're $1.98 each. Ibotta gives you back $1 each, so it makes them 98 cents each. So I did it 3 times. It only counted as 1 rebate, but I did it 3 times because I know we will go through these. So this is a super good deal. Vibes are $3.28. I got 2 of them. They're on a BOGO, so you pay $6.56. You get back $3.28 from Ibotta. Final cost is $3.28 for the both, or just $1.64 each. And you can tell we've already gotten into this one. The Chobani yogurt drink. This is $1.38. Ibotta gives you back 10 cents on any probiotic drink, making the final cost $1.28. I did both of these oatmeal deals. This is the instant oatmeal strawberries and cream. These are 98 cents. Ibotta gives you back 25 cents, making this one 73 cents. And then this one's a little bit more. It's $1.34. Ibotta gives you back 50 cents, making the final cost 84 cents. And I've never had this one, so I'm super excited to try it. Frozen strawberries are $2.14. Ibotta gives you back 10 cents on any frozen fruit, making the final cost $2.04. This Well Yes roasted chicken with rice. This was a freebie this week. It was $1.98, and Ibotta gives you back $1.98, making it free. And the slow kettle soup was also a freebie this week. It's $1.98. Ibotta gives you back $2.49, making it a 51-cent moneymaker. And this is the really small one. with the crunchy things on top. This little Listerine is found in the trial section. It is $1.97. Ibotta gives you back $1, making it 97 cents, and these are really good to have. So I keep doing it every time it resets. These Yo Crunch M&Ms, these are the super small ones. They were a 4-pack, but my 2 kids have already taken one each. They were $2.36. Ibotta gives you back 10 cents. Making it a final cost of $2.26. I also got a big bundle of bananas. They totaled out to be $1.43. Ibotta gives you back 10 cents on any banana purchase, making it $1.33. This will vary depending on how many you buy, but you can just buy one. The Swanson broth coupon expired, so I wasn't able to use it, but these are 98 cents each, so $1.96 for the both of them. Ibotta gives you back a 10-cent any broth as well as $1 off of 2 Swanson broth. So I was able to get 2 rebates on just these purchases. My final cost was 86 cents or just 43 cents each, which is a pretty good deal to me. Trident gum is also on a BOGO. They're $1.12 each. You'll pay $2.24. Ibotta gives you back $1.12, making it $1.12 for the both of them. Now these 2 items were on my Walmart pickup order. These were substitutions. So if you've ever done a Walmart pickup, you know that when they substitute, if they give a more expensive item, they'll give it to you for the price of the item in which you originally purchased. So I purchased the turkey deli meat, only like the small one. I think it was 9 ounces or something. And it was $3.28, but they ended up substituting it for the 2 11-ounce packages. So this was a great deal. And I got the 10 cents on any deli meat from Ibotta, so it ended up being $3.18 for this deli meat. So that was super great. And then I had a rebate for any hot chocolate, 10 cents. So I ordered the $1 box of just the Walmart brand hot chocolate, and they substituted it for the Swiss Miss and gave it to me for $1. So with the 10-cent rebate, this was only 90 cents for an 8-pack. As usual, I got me some Renews-Its. These were $2.74 for the 3-pack. I had a $1 paper coupon from the 1-3 Retail Me Not, and Ibotta gave me back $1 for buying this. The final cost was 74 cents. And considering just one of these is 97 cents, 74 cents for 3 of them, it's pretty good. Okay, so we have this wonderful bundle. I'm going to do this bundle again, but my store didn't have the blue Gatorades today. I did this one yesterday. So this pack of Gatorade, it's an 8-pack. These are $4.98. This 4-pack of Gatorade Super Shake is $7.98. There's 2 rebates here. This one, when you buy this, you get a $3 rebate back just for buying that singly. And then there's a bundle deal where if you buy the Gatorade Super Shakes and the Gatorade on the same receipt, you'll get back $4.99. So looking at the math, the Gatorade shake was $7.98. I got back a $3 rebate. So in all, I paid $4.98 for the shakes, and then with the bundle, getting back $4.99 after buying the Gatorade, I ended up only spending $4.97 for the 2. Meanwhile, just these were $4.98, or just these were $7.99. So that was a super, super good deal. I can't wait to try these. Last item is not an Ibotta rebate. This is just a freebie in Walmart. I wanted to include it in here. So these are the Gain Febreze plugs, and it comes with the warmer as well as the oil. And these are $4.94 in Walmart. In the January P&G, there was a $5 off of 1 Febreze oil plug. So I did this twice. I only had 2 coupons. It ended up being free and a 6-cent moneymaker. Just make sure you have something else along with that so the overage can apply to something. So yeah, got those for free. Okay, so going over my math, my total for all of these items was $83.25. I had $11 in paper coupons. That brought my pay at the register price, $72.25. Ibotta gave me back $30.69 just for the rebates itself. Then I hit the $5 Weekend Warrior bonus, and I also hit the $5 pickup bonus. That brought my total out of pocket for all of these items to $31.56. I got 27 rebates, which I only need 36 to hit the $10 bonus. So I'm only 9 off from getting that extra 10. That's 35 items total that I just showed you. With that total above at $31.56, that's 90 cents each. And just the fact alone that these are $5 a piece, this is $8, this is $5. I don't even know how much this is. $4. Like, it's pretty decent stuff. So the fact that it was only 90 cents each, that's cheaper than if you were to be able to find all of these items at the Dollar Tree. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in a comment and I'll be happy to answer it. Other than that, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.